Alright, so I just got to Harley Davidson getting ready to pick up some heated gloves because my hands are starting to get too cold and I'm ready to take a road trip. What's up YouTube? So on the last video, I was showing you that I needed to get some new heated gloves. So these are the leather gloves that I got from Harley Davidson. So today I'm going to show you how to install the heated gloves on your Harley Davidson motorcycle. And then we're going to go talk to Big Mike and he's going to install these gloves on my motorcycle. And then I'm going to test them out in 30-degree weather on my motorcycle. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. It's QueenSit. Let's go.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Tray off. Find where the battery's at, somewhere in there. Move the ECM out of our way. Move a couple plugs. You got stereo equipment.
That you installed. Shout out to Big Mike.
Here. Is your battery good? Still good. So, whenever you unhook the battery, always do the negative first, right? Negative is the black one. Negative, and then the positive. We're gonna isolate the connector from the negative so it doesn't touch. That way we don't ground out the battery and have big sparks and cause issues with these batteries. So we move that away. Now we can unhook the red one. And if we happen to hit the red, ground out our screwdriver or our wrench, it won't cause a spark. Now when we go back together, we hook the positive up first and then the negative. Opposite order, or reverse order. Do you want this up here? Probably.
Yeah.
Okay. We got enough room with this battery. We can kind of run it any way we want, but
What do you think? Or
usually, well, I'm just saying the way this lead, we can curl it around.
Okay.
'Cause we have.
Or should it come out on the side? Or something?
That's up to you.
We can do side to keep it minimal.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll have it come up here, and then we can bring it back.
Okay.
We're gonna torque it to 20 inch-pounds, exactly. And we'll hook up the negative and everything will be safe.
And you just connect the red with the red and the black.
If you ever have an issue with this, we'll put this up where you can get to it.
Okay.
And it's just a, I think it's a, what is it? 10, 15 amp fuse.
Yeah, I don't know.
So if you ever have problems with your gear, it can blow that fuse.
Okay. And then we'll just have to replace that.
Yep. And your gear if it's messing up. But we don't have that many problems.
We don't
with
have
gear.
that problem. And this is how you install the heated
Heated gear lead.
heated gear lead.
There we go.
And that's simple.
Then we're going to replace our battery hold down tray and our electrical caddy for the ECM. Hopefully this will all fit. So we get around all the fuses for your amplifiers.
Now replace everything.
Place ECM, we'll put your, here's that heated gear lead coming out. Make sure we don't lose that. Tuck everything nice away so we get our seat back on. Couple screws. Should be good to go. And this will go just about anywhere. We can go here.
Okay.
We'll probably bring it back here for Erica.
Okay.
And you can put up your shirt or up your jacket.
Yeah.
That is what plugs into that controller.
Okay.
And this usually, if that, is that a Harley jacket?
Nope.
It might not, so the Harley ones have like things to put all these into it for your leads, but it's usually wherever you want it.
You just plug it.
I'll put it up front.
Okay.
And that way, if you come out like in a pocket or something,
Yeah.
you just plug it in and put it in your pocket.
Okay,
Or
yeah,
right
front
there.
would be
And then
good.
you can- I'll leave it right here, and if you have extra, you can just tuck it in the front of your seat.
Okay.
That makes sense. That's the way we usually do it. You have extra?
All right.
See the quick move?
You got extra, and you tuck the excess. Boom.
Hold on.
Boom. Just look at this. And you just plug any of your heated gear. You just plug it right there, and it all connects.
Got extra? Just tuck it in.
And there you heard it. Look, this is new. This is exclusive. That's exclusive. Straight here from Gateway and Big Mike. Okay. Now he's putting my seat back on with a little seat lock and all that good stuff.
One of these safety seat mechanisms.
Man.
So nobody walks off with a comfy seat.
Yeah.
Squeaky seat.
Oh yeah, I don't think I've ever told y'all. So my seat is locked, so you can't just pull it off the bike. Uh-oh, let's try out these heated gloves real quick. What's up, it's QueenSit. I got a real quick vlog. I didn't get to ride for a couple of days. I wasn't feeling well. So now I'm getting ready to hop on this road glide. Try out these heated gloves that I just installed. And I'm gonna let you know how they hold up. It's about 35 to 40 degrees today. And it's real rainy. It rained all morning. So it's okay, it's cold, yeah, for sure. Need gloves on. So I'll let you know how these gloves hold up, all right? Let's go. So at the dealership, we installed this piece right here. So with the gloves, I connected everything together. And all I have to do is plug in this cord right here into this. All right, let's do that. And it just plugs right in. All right. And then we have this piece. And if you get the jacket, you can run this all through your jacket and all of that. I'm just gonna put it in my pocket and just to try them out real quick, all right? Let's go. And then you push the button for low, medium, hot, and turn it off by holding it, all right? So let's try it out. Turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on low to start, and I'll let you know how low works out for me. All right, YouTube, so I just got to my mom's house. It's about a 30-minute drive. And when I say this is the first time my hands have not been cold, oh my God. These heated gloves are the best gloves I've had yet. So I just plugged it into the bike, rode over here. Literally, I don't know what setting I had it on. I had it on low, but I remember pressing it again. Okay, so I highly recommend you get these Harley Davidson heated gloves. I'm getting ready to head back home. Hands were warm. Hey, mama, when I came over here, so this is a live review. Normally, when I come over here, you touch my hands.
And they're freezing. And I'm mad because your hands are too cold.
Too cold. 30 degrees outside.
Yes.
But when I came over today, and I touched your hand,
they were warm.
Period. So these gloves work, and I'm super excited because now we're ready for a road trip, baby. So make sure you like and subscribe on this video because next week I'm hopping on the bike and we are going to do a road trip with the new heated gloves. All right, let's go. Oh, and make sure you grab you a QueenSit hoodie at my website. Link in the description below. Get you a hoodie or a beanie or a t-shirt or anything that makes you feel good. My shirts make you feel good. They bring positive energy to you, so you have to get one and try it out for yourself. A lot of people take the Harley Davidson rider course and pass in my shirts. Go to my Instagram and check it out. Yeah. All right, y'all. So it's raining out here. Got on the heated gloves. My grandma is not feeling well, so I'm going to take her one of my books with my Harley Davidson picture in there. It's raining out here. I probably shouldn't be doing this right now. But, yeah, it's in there somewhere. But, yeah, going to take her that in a care package. Hopefully she feels better. And it's freezing out here. And it's raining. But we still outside, baby. We still outside. All right. I ain't gonna put you on camera. Here go your care package. Calendar. Your calendar? I'll bring it to you. All right, y'all. We finna continue this journey. Yeah, she got her book. Okay. You wanna be in my vlog?
No, I want to be your pie.
Hey, you know grandma here.
Hey, everybody. Go home, Erica. Go home.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
And she's sick, y'all. So send her some good wishes and prayers.
Send her some wishes and prayers on that daggone motorcycle in the snow.
We outside, Grandma. We outside. Okay, love you. I'm good. Mr. Derek had to push me. All right, y'all. We back on the road, baby. It's QueenSit. Let's go. Woo! It is raining or snowing or something's happening. But we are still outside, baby. But I'm headed home now, all right?
I blow the racks on the regular. I won't hit that blind if it's